Hello everybody, Valber here again. On this time, I will tell you the secrets to become a great developer or programmer if you prefer. First step, watch any video in YouTube teaching from zero the languages Java or C#.
What?
Yes, Java or C#, no Python or JavaScript. Why? It's simple. You need to learn the basic, primitive type, condition structures, loops and other things. Python or JavaScript is wonderful languages when you already know the basics. So when you see errors like that, you will know solution. If you love read, my friend, you can read the official documentation. I will let the link in description, okay? Or if you prefer a course, I will let some links in description too. Second step, after finishing the videos or documentation or the course, you need to create your own project. In this project, you will apply all that you learned before, perfect? Why? It's simple, because it will be your project, won't there a solution already. So you will need to use the basics that you learned before to complete the task. And guys, please don't copy projects that already exist, for example iFood or Uber or app to calculate your BNI. Create your own projects, okay? This project can be anything, a site without actions, just with HTML and CSS, or with some actions using JavaScript, an Android app made in Java, a structure in the cloud. Like Uncle Steve said, everyone should learn how to program because it teaches you how to think. I know that you can do this, so create your first project and remember, it's fine you use the reference for another projects, for example, a method, some lines of code, okay? Third step, always publish your projects in GitHub, okay? This will be your portfolio if you go find a job or a client, you need to show what you can do. Fourth step, read the code of another people. Like read many books, this step will prepare you to understand how any systems work, okay? Because each programmer or developer, if you prefer, have different patterns, okay, to do code. So guys, if you have any other point, please let in comments. I see you on the next time.